This is Monday night, right out of Western Sydney. This is your 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's look at our races for tonight. The unstoppable team of NZ Racing and Scorpio Love Smith and that mighty Austin Healey. They've done 3 in a row. They're going for the 4th win on the trot. Can they do it? Can they hang on and get across the line? Let's find out. Going up against NZ Racing and Scorpio Love Smith is Mark D of CRC Racing, a fellow Aussie. He's in the 32 Ford delivery van. He's raced here plenty of times before. He knows how to handle Mount Western Raceway. Can the 32 Ford with him behind the wheel tame the track tonight?
Race 1. That's a big D and F. Can we get a big and a tow truck down to the 34 delivery, please?
Mark D's off the track. I hope he's all right. The tension is mounting, and that was just out of race 1.
Race 2. Winner! Mark D of CRC Racing in the 32 Ford delivery van.
The 34 delivery not slowing down and slamming into that back wall. Mark D in front out of race 2.
Race 3. Winner! Scorpio Love Smith driving the Austin Healey on behalf of NZ Racing.
These guys are crazy on the track tonight, all squared up out of race 3.
Race 4. Winner! Scorpio Love Smith and the Austin Healey. Good on you, mate.
Scorpio Love Smith driving for NZ Racing crosses a line for his 2nd win.
Can we have a tow truck out of turn 2, please? A tow truck out of turn 2. Race 5. Winner! Scorpio Love Smith and the Austin Healey, a slam dunk into the back wall, driving by NZ Racing.
Well, Team NZ with Scorpio behind the wheel, they've done it. They've won 4 in a row. This is unbelievable. The first time ever on Mount Western Raceway. Here's your top 8. Scorpio Love Smith for NZ Racing with 4 in a row. Let's wrap it up. Let's get into the race review. You can see race 1 here. Scorpio has the advantage. He goes up and he hits the wall, does a little turn. The 32 Ford sees the opportunity and floors it. Although, check this out. Wham, bam, a 360 and off the track. Scorpio just slides and pulls up. I'm pretty sure he just stopped to see if his mate's all right. Heading into race 2, there's a nice little battle down the back. The 32 Ford delivery goes up high, hits the wall, and has the advantage going down Mount Western Straight. Check this little manoeuvre. Goes low, goes up high, and picks that line beautifully. Almost goes over and crosses the line for his first. Check this out. Wham! Look how high he goes. It's not until you go slow motion until you realise how hard these guys hit. Race 3, I thought Mark D had this. He's a bit wobbly coming out of turn 1. Goes right on his tail. Look how close he is. Just gives him a little nudge. And the 32 Ford looks like he's got this sewn up. But check this out. He just heads left. Scorpio floors it and gets his first win for NZ Racing tonight. Let's head into race 4. You can see Mark D just struggles out the gate right up the top. Scorpio's coming out fast. He does that really low turn, which swings him out of turn 1. The 32 Ford's trying his hardest to catch up. Hits and does a 360. Rolls over. He's gone. He's wiped out. Scorpio driving for NZ Racing gets his 2nd win. Here we are, race 5. Pretty close up the top here. It looks like the 32 Ford's got the advantage. Nice little turn out of there. Scorpio's trying his hardest to overtake him. The 32 Ford won't allow it. But the 32 Ford's gone. He's gone over. Scorpio Love Smith driving for Ed's End Racing gets his 4th victory right here on Mount Western Raceway in the 2020 Club Hot Rods Championship. We will see Mark D right back here on Hot Rods in a few weeks' time. Good on you, mate. Well, here you go. Scorpio Love Smith driving the Austin Healey on behalf of NZ Racing, holding that cup up proud. Next Thursday night, we see the return of Po Boy Racing. Yes, that's right, Po Boy driving the way too fast. This will be a big battle, folks. Will he knock Scorpio Love Smith off his perch? Stay tuned. Thursday night racing, 5 p.m. Aussie time. Catch you later.